So today I'm going to tell you how to practice English language at your home. Let me explain it and how to practice English at your home. Well, it is very easy for you, and if you also think about English language, then practicing makes you perfect. So you need to practice a lot of, and you don't need any grammar, you don't need any vocabulary, or you don't need any smartphone at once, because you have to practice front of a mirror. You can communicate with you in English language. Don't think about making mistakes. Don't think about error redactions, anything else particularly. Think about how to practice English. Okay, yeah, don't make any grammar mistakes. Don't think about mistakes, grammar rules, or whatever you think. Got it? Literally, believe me, start whatever you have. What start from there. Okay, you have to start. You have to initiate whatever you have, and make a lot of sentences. Make practice. Think in English language. Think. If you don't, if you makes mistakes, somebody let laugh at you. So let people think. Let people laugh at you. Don't worry about you, because you are as a child from learning English language. Got it? So you have to making a lot of sentences, a lot of vocabularies. Means don't think about incorrect or correct. Got it? Daily practice at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. It makes you perfect. It makes you confident. Well, you if you speak means a little bit sentences, like I'm happy, I'm a student, I am from Bihar, I have a lot of opportunity to create, and I speak sometimes in English language, I speak Bhojpuri, I live in a village. So it makes you perfect. It makes you confidently. You have to initiate. So your mind also create thoughts in English. What should I do? So you should that from is initially. You don't need any grammar. Just randomly, don't focus any topics like that. Just practice whatever you have in your minds. Whatever you have to practice a lot of daily, because practicing makes you perfect. Daily practice create you creativity, thinking pattern, and English thoughts in your mind. So you don't need any grammars, you don't need any vocabs, whatever. You have to just practice and practice. Got it? So I'm sure you got my point. Even can you see me, also a student, as well as you assume me I'm an English teacher, but I'm also a beginner. Then I can speak English, then you can also speak English. Don't think about anything else. Got it? So you can follow Amit English Speaker channel. Just start from basic and you can learn English. I hope you got my point. And when any of the you have any doubt or anything else, then comment in my comment box. Got it? So I hope you got my point. Thanks. Like and subscribe and share. Got it? Thank you.